What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code. Well, Lakshit, in this tutorial I will explain you how you can create a 3D graph. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
First of all guys, we will open our Jupyter notebook. For that, open the PowerShell, then type Jupyter notebook. If you don't have it, you can open it in the browser also, but I have installed it in my PC, that's why I'm opening it here. Then we will create a new file, Python 3, and is the file has been created. Let's name the file, let's say 3D data, save it. And now guys, we need three libraries to do so. First one is plotly, then second one is pandas, and the third one is numpy. So yeah, you should install that using a pip install plotly, then pandas, then numpy. Now let's import these three libraries. Import plotly.exp express as px, import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. Yep, it's correct. Now guys, let's create a data frame using pandas. Data frame equals to what I have to do, pd dot data frame, and here let's create the first x-axis as numpy dot random dot rand. What this means that we are creating the three axes x, y, z, and we are taking the three, we are creating random data using the numpy, and we will create 100 datas in the x-axis. Let me show you. And y-axis numpy dot random dot rand 100. Same with the z-axis. Oops. Z. Let me just close this out. What is happening here? Okay, it's working fine now. Numpy dot random rand 100. Though our three axes has been created, now it's time to create the credential c np dot random dot rand, and now here we want these three values here. So the index for x is 0, and we will take index to 3. We have three index, 0 1 2 3. So that's why we put here 4, because it will not include the fourth one. It will just take the three first three. If you understand this, then type here 100. Then yep, it's working. Not working fine. Let's me check the error. Okay guys, so I found an error here. Here you can see the in credential, we have not specified the value if it is an integer or a string or what type of data it is. That's why after this rand, we have to specify the data type, which is int, and then run the command. It will run safely. And now if I print the variable, it will give the random data. I have changed just to check the validation. Now let's change it to 100 data. 100 and 100, and now run it again. Okay, I got 100 into 100. Now let's put this data in a graph. Let's name the variable graph equals to px dot, px is that which we have imported, px dot scatter 3d, and we want to import data from this df variable. That's why we will put a df comma x as x, x as x, we want to y as this y value, and z equals to this z variable, and we want to color as this credential c equals to c, also color equals to c. Let's check. Okay, we got an error here. Scatter 3d. Okay, it's not scatter 3d, it's underscore scatter 3d. Yep, it's running fine. Now simply graph dot show and run it. Let's check it out. Yep, we got the graph here. You can see it's a 3D graph. You can do like this. You can check the points also, and here is the color with the particular value. So that's all for this tutorial. If you love this tutorial, do hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.